Recording mo. Kaway. Naririnig kaya yung boses ko dito? Hindi, kahit na malapit siya. Kailangan siguro talaga ng mic. Ang ganda niya mamaya. Okay. Wala. Ano yan mga ano? Guys, hi. Malino sila rin eh, kaso di mo makadilat eh.
Swaying, breeze so light, party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance in the sun.
Karay na ka. Sige, bilis. Hindi naman ganyan lumangoy eh. Hindi naman ganyan lumangoy. Katangan yan eh.
Pagong dalawa yan.
Oo.
Alas 6 lang yan. Alas 6 talaga. Baka ako na dito sa saglit. Ganda pa may.
Pwede mag-picture dito, mami, di ba? Ano? Dito? Ito?
Hahanapin mo lang.
Ha?
Sa kabila. Yung...
Ito?
Oo. Nakikita ka dyan, Cam.
dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, it's so sweet. Summer days can't be beat.
The frame, tiny flashes of perfection worth more than fortune or fame. It's the unexpected laughter, the hand held in the rain, the sudden clear awareness that we won't pass this way again. These simple, honest treasures, we collect them one by one. These are the beautiful moments beneath the morning sun. I remember sitting silently, just watching you read a book. The comfortable, easy feeling in every single look. No need for grand pronouncements.